Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change Samsung A35 5G keyboard to LED keyboard. Well, LED keyboard can be entertaining to use, especially with features like dynamic lighting effects or reactive lighting to keystrokes. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first you have to install this application on the App Store. Well, after that just tap on it. Then you can click this side arrow, so click continue option. Well, so on this page, tap on plus icon here, and then click activate LED keyboard. Press OK. Well, so now tap on step 1 here, then you can activate the LED keyboard by turning on this toggle. Click OK to approve. For the next step, tap on step 2, then you can select LED keyboard. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the Samsung A35 5G keyboard to LED keyboard. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.